Hene ka sngi khat khandai tarik ukalalan kot 8,000 apaway. Ka Megha EMRI Workers Union kalap Pynlong ka jingai rally na pulau jong ka EMRI laumali ter samadan student pandawan ka sorkar baka dewan shimti ban penyat hino ya ka 108 hadian baka lakut ka service jong ka ne ka GVK ha ubnai March menthausnem ban ka juk ka por ukidawan ka management ban penkiwi ki tulap kinong tre ban penbiang ki manpower bat kiwe ki jingdawa. Hagani ka sngi kawai na kiseng bhalang kata kade ka HYC kalawan senran lang ya kani. Kajingyai rally hinong tre jong ka 108 bat kijing dawan ka sorkar ban chimti no ban penyai hi ya ka 108 ban ai tender shu ya kiwe ki company.
Here standing as the advisor of the Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union. My name is Suzanne Lingdo. So the protest that we came out today is after all the years that we have gone for agitation. We have demanded 36 demands where we compromised to 8. But till date, none of the demands have been successful. So we have come publicly now to show the government that in spite of compromising, in spite of returning back to work after the strike, the hunger strike, everything that we have done, we want to show that the GVK management still does not come to compromise with the field staff and the workers of the GVK EMRI. Still, till date, we are suppressed by this management. Deductions are there, where employees who can't even come for work in this lockdown, their salaries have been deducted. These are the harassment that the GVK management is still doing till date. So we demand that this GVK management or any other company, if they come to take this project, this will compromise with the life and death of the people of the state. So we demand the government to kindly come up with a solution to take up this project on their own or form a society or whatever a solution is there. Please do give us a solution where do not compromise with the life and death of the people of the state. We will be going for another agitation that will be planned. We have to go for a meeting and everything. So we request the government to at least take the initiative to just call us for a talk or whatever is possible to solve this issue, because if it affects us the workers, it affects the people of the state. If we stop the work, it affects the people who are in need of this ambulance service, 108 service, because we help the needy who needs the emergency medical service, whether it's medically, whether it's a road traffic accident, any kind of emergency is dealt by us. So we request the government to kindly take the initiative to solve this issue as soon as possible.
Today ka Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union. Kani ka jingyat rally ka jongi mata singi ka long man persya ya ka GVK EMRI ka ba ka demand ka jongi ka ba nadu macam stem kumba pilih ka dan life under tuli hadin nang tu ngila ada compromise ban le setang flatly handrai hadu mentai la sisnam tam si panai ki khamyo ya ga ba kilakular par hadu ka ni khilmat ni dang ya mi renti kumne banya mi biang sai sien namata ka jingdiman ka jongi ka bangsa bat kumjuru ka ban kong hi ka ba ka motif ka jongi banta ka dai ba ikwa ba ka government jong ka Meghalaya hi kan shimti ya kani ka service ka balong ka jingim jong upat ba jong ka state hi ka jingim ka jong ka company ka shuan hang ni ka kumban le business bat ka government pat ka shua ba ya ka pisa shaki bakan le kat ba kaman ya ki pat ba jong ka state la de te ngi hang ni ngiwan ban demand ba ka government hi ba ka state Meghalaya hi kan shimti bat kan pen ya hi dala dia ya kan ke service ke jongi ke balong ka EMRI 108 Meghalaya tingin na kaliang jong ka union ngi demand ya ka government ba kan sim dala dia nang ba kan tip khamha ya ka ei ka ba ki brio jong ka state hi kanu ki trai sitam bat ka jingyo pat ke batang khendiat nomor katkum ka jing ASHA company ka khnyat ya ka jingyo ki jongi ubaret barya Andrai ka jing trai par ka balong ka bakhya na boro kam kumba kalong ba ka 108 ka kan thop ya ka medical police but fire ya ka police but fire kila ki ran hi daga state government balai pat ba ya ka medical ki ai contract ha ki rio shimat